Where am I? Where am I?
I don't know, where are you?
Chanel.
And what are you doing in Chanel?
I'm converting from Dior.
Only question that I have for you. Haven't you already packed your bags?
That's why I bought extra carry-on. Not carry-on, just shoulder bag.
Where are you going to fit these?
Their own bag.
Because I remember your bag is already overweight.
They will be carried in their own bag. Just excited.
That's good.
This is me excited. It doesn't show, but inside I feel so excited.
Happy for you.
So now, to the most exciting part. I cannot wait. I'm very, very excited. This is my first thing from that brand. So I was with Alex last day in Vancouver. We checked out of the hotel. We were just walking around the city. We went to the same mall. We didn't have anything else to do. And we were browsing, and then one of the stores had a new collection just released. So I was just browsing, and I was between two styles, shoes, and the gentleman who was helping us, Jonathan, thank you, did not find my size, and he went to the back of the store and brought this shoe to try, just to see if the size would fit me, and we will order the one that I liked more. And that shoe is nothing else but what I wanted and was lasting after 4 years. Is the Chanel classic slingbacks. And I know those were in style a few years back, but those are classic bags. I know that they will not get out of style. I will use them over and over again. I love shoes, but I do not get myself luxurious shoes just because I wear them a lot and they get destroyed. So no point in buying expensive shoes if I'm gonna destroy them anyways, especially I don't have places to go to them with them. So the bow, the flower, I didn't open it. I was waiting for over 2 weeks now. So this is a very huge moment for me. I know it might not mean a lot for a lot of people, but for me, this is my first shoes from Chanel. I know that I cannot afford the bag, not yet. But yeah, I remember the days when anything of this sort would be a dream. And for the young people out there, never give up on your dreams. Work hard, and you will get it one day. So I'm really proud. It's a gift from Alex, but at the same time, it's a proud moment for me, and it might be just vanity or a shallow thing, but there is some significance in reaching that next level. I will not be able to buy Chanel every month, but once a year is good enough. The dust bags, and then I'm just happy. I'm sorry. And this is why I wore all black, so I can actually try them out today. I don't know if I'll be able to take any videos styling them, but it's just a moment that I've been waiting for. It's funny because I am wearing Pedro's now, and these are a staple in my shoe collection. Anything Pedro is good. Good quality, good price, and doesn't last long. Nothing for me lasts long because I do wear them extensively. Like, yes, I do have a lot of shoes, but all the shoes has to be replaced almost every year. He warned me that they might be a little bit snug and they may need breaking in. But I'm willing to try. I don't know if you can see them here. So yes, this is the last gift that I got. This is the gift that I didn't expect. It happened without prior notice. I didn't tell Alex about it before. It all happened as if it's meant to be. I don't know. It's a happy moment for me, and thank you everyone for watching my channel, and thank you for hanging out with me. I'm really thankful for all of you. Thank you, and see you next week.